The secret to fishing windy days, you can't afford to miss too many. Oh, fishing gods are playing hardball. Oh shit. It's a bit blowy today, so some of our options are a little bit limited. Wind can be friend or foe, sometimes both. The secret to fishing windy days, particularly in winter, is to find protected areas where either current or wind are still pushing bait through the system, bringing food to the fish. It can push warm water into bays, it can push bait into areas for predatory fish to congregate, and you can use that to your advantage. But it can also, particularly in the cooler months, drop the water temperature. That chop tends to thin the surface of the water, and that cool breeze blowing on it will drop it. It could even be, you know, a quarter or half a degrees, which sometimes is enough to turn the fish off or get fish to move into areas that you wouldn't expect them to be. So what we're going to try and do today is find some areas out of the breeze. Oh. Let's see if he's still there. That was a little jack. He might not come back. So as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted for no reward, is that we're going to try and find some areas out of the breeze where the water's warming, so the sun's hitting it, which will tend to be some of the shallow areas or deeper areas that are adjacent to a shallow flat, where that flat might be moving that warm water back over an edge and into some of the deeper water. And if we can find that, then we might find a few fish. I'll see how we go. Oh no, that was a jack. I don't think he'll come back, but let's find out. Oh, and the days are a grind. You can't afford to miss too many. Decided to turn around and go into the breeze because it's a little bit too breezy here and a bit hard to control the electric. So I'm going to try this for a while and see how we go. It's probably blowing somewhere between 20 and 30 knots, where it's probably only about 10 to 15's tucked out of the breeze here. So bad, but not as bad as it could be. Oh, Nelly. Oh, no! That was a nice jack. He won't come back, but he might have a mate. Maybe, if I'm lucky. Damn it, that was a good one. Holy moly. A big mullet. Well, that's 5 I've missed. One more to go until I get my 100 on top water. Fishing gods are playing hardball. Oh, there we go. Oh no! Oh shit. I was looking the other way. Took a long time, 5 missed opportunities, but finally the 6th time the hook sinks in. and it was actually, well, I was a bit distracted, I had my head turned, so I'm not even sure whether we got this on camera. We'll let this guy go.